Let's look at how we can teach SharePoint what to know and how to act when it comes to our team processes. I can give SharePoint context about where documents should live and how they're named and organized. When I drop files into this library, SharePoint already knows where they belong and how they should be structured. This isn't personal memory. It's shared team context that anyone can build on. SharePoint can also learn repeatable processes and save them as skills, like how your team sets up conference trackers. I prompt it to create a list, structured the way our events team actually runs every conference. I know the team will use this in the future. Instead of recreating this list every time, I save it as a skill. Now anyone on the team can ask SharePoint to set up session planning for a new event, and SharePoint creates the same list instantly using this skill. Once the list is created, we can ask questions like, which sessions are still missing speakers, and which track is at risk? I can also edit lists directly from chat. When my exec says they want a briefing of what's the latest, I can ask SharePoint to create a report from this list to communicate that. SharePoint can create Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or HTML from natural language, and ground it on any existing SharePoint file or list. This is how Copilot in SharePoint transforms repeatable work into just a short prompt for the whole team.